what? I think I just found a hack. Especially with women like you. Hey boo, what is up? So in today's video, we are doing a quick makeup look. When I tell you, I get comments every single day that says, oh my God, that was so beautiful. Do you have something quicker? How can I achieve that look but only quicker? And although I have so many 5-minute, 10-minute makeup look videos on my channel, people constantly ask for more, so I'm gonna always make them. The tips that I have for you to achieve a great, beautiful, flawless makeup look in absolutely no time is still the same, and that is to just simply focus on your complexion, throw on a lash, throw on a lip. That's it. Like, don't worry about highlight, contour, don't worry about layering, don't worry about taking all the extra steps that makes the makeup look flawless and beautiful and perfect and professional, and it takes it to that next level because you put in that time. Don't put in the time. Like, it's just as simple as that. Take the time to correct a few little dark spots on your face, like under the eyes and stuff like that. Quickly fill in the brow with a little bit of brow powder. Throw on a lash and throw on a lip. Like, that's literally the makeup look that I recently had to do for my daughter's birthday, because girl, I am so tired of being late. Like, I'm so tired of being late. Like, every time I'm running late, like, I'm tired of being late. I'm tired of rushing. And sometimes we just, like, we don't have the time. We gotta go. Like, we gotta, but we still gotta look cute. We still have to show up. So we was late anyway, girl. But if you want to see like behind the scenes of that, check out my vlog. But it wasn't no fault of, you know, mine. It was traffic and stuff like that. A big event was happening in Chicago, so I didn't account for that. But anyway, these lashes are on my site. This is the Baddie lash. It's giving fresh feel. This is Queendom, one of my favorites. It's so like long and spiky and dainty. Like, this is the type of lash for people who just like really love that length. This one is Tootie. It's kind of the best of both worlds. It gives you like that spiky look as well as like the see-through length. It gives a slight volume. But today, for the look that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw on a fancy lash. I have been using this lash over and over again. As you can see, like, I've been throwing this lash on for my quick makeup looks, for my dressy makeup looks. I've just been constantly going back to this one because the fancy lash, it just goes with everything. So pretty much that's what we're doing today. We're going to start off with skincare, of course. I'm going to put on my Avo Cosmetics Botanical Toner, all natural, vegan, and organic. So because this is a quick makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and move on to complexion. We're going to use the Bobbi Brown Face Base. This is a primer and a moisturizer in one. Put on a little bit of this e.l.f. primer. I'm going to concentrate it where I know the makeup breaks apart for me. Okay, while I'm giving that primer just a minute to sit on my skin and warm up to my skin, I'm going to be filling in my brow. Okay, the brows are done. Quickly moving on. I'm going to slap some of this concealer underneath my eyes. Like, this is the quick part right here. Now let's hurry up and just blend this out. And I love to use the Lancome for this because it's going to give that coverage, as you can see, but it's also going to like not look so makeup-y, which is something that you really want when you're doing quick makeup, because when you're doing quick makeup, like, you don't really have time to like blend it out and do all of the stuff to like make it look right. You need something that works easily, and this just does, as you can see. Now I'm going to take my MAC Radiance Serum Foundation. This is in shade NC50. I'll just get a little bit on the back of my hand and just quickly rub it on. Okay, now I'm going to take the Hourglass powder, and I'm gonna press this underneath my eye. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury Glow. Bounce a little bit of this into the skin too, because that matte can show up as a little warm. Cool it down some. What? I think I just found a hack. Do you see how that looks? No way. I don't know what it is about this eye, but it's always giving me trouble. Like, it's always looking patchy, and I always feel like I have to fix something on it. I'm not sure if it's my lighting or if it's just this eye for real. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of the Huda Beauty, and I am going to use this to further set underneath my eyes. Woo, I forgot how this stuff is. It smells like some perfume. And I said I wanted to revisit this because, you know, if you watch me, that the Patrick Star One Size powder has had a chokehold on me, and I'm like, you know what, I want to compare the two, like, because I just threw this aside because, you know, the One Size, that be having you looking flawless. All right, let's bronze up. And this is the YSL in All Hours Hyper Bronzer. And it look like, is that 5? Look like it's in shade 5, the darkest one. And I love this because it's like you can never ever ever use too much of this. Like, I don't know what it is about this, but you just, like, you can't possibly go overboard. Like, it's impossible. It's gonna always look so flawless and natural. Put a little bit in my crease. Drag some out. And I'm going to take some of my Lancome. This is in shade, I'll let you see, girl. I ain't got my glasses on. 2. I'm going to quickly just put some of this on my lid close to my inner corner. And just kind of quickly smudge it out with my synthetic brush. And it's just to break up that bronzer a little bit. OMG, it looks so good. Now let's go ahead and take some blush from my Mirrored Makeup Blush Quad. Let's go, which shade should we do? Blue? I mean, should we do pink or red? Let's go with red today. Cause, ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Ah! You know, to keep it high, stamp it in. That looks so good. Oh, that's so good. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this MAC on my smile lines because I just, like, I need to. I can't get away with not doing it. All right, I'm gonna quickly throw on a wing liner. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fancy Lash. And then now you just put on your, like, accessories and your fun lip, like something like this. Isn't this pretty? Oh my gosh. Oh, so stinking cute. And it's got a little bit of shimmer in it too. Should I try it for you? And then I'm gonna put some of this in the middle. You know, purple is the dark skinned girl's pink. Okay, I've been saying it for years. So if you hear anybody other than me say it, they got that from me. Okay, boo, this is the finished look. If you have not joined my free VIP, do so, girl, because I'm gonna be hooking you up in your DM. It's gonna be me in your DM hooking you up, letting you know what's tea. But before you do all that, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh. And I'll be sure to see you on the next one.
I've been losing friends and finding peace.